Hello children, this is Ipshita Gangopadhyay, teacher from Trinity International School. Students, in our previous video, we have already learned about the concept of negative numbers. We have already learned why negative numbers are necessary, and also we have learned how to use the negative numbers in different statements. So today we will learn about the number line. In our previous video, we have already come across about the concept of number line. So we have already learned about number line concept, that is number line is having both positive and negative numbers, and these numbers together are called as the integers. So today we will go for the next topic, that is comparison of integer using a number line. So you can see the number line here. Okay, so you can see here 0, and to the right of 0 are the positive numbers, and to the left of 0, that is to the left of 0 is your negative numbers. Okay, so as you come across with the comparison of integer, it will be very much beneficial to you to know about which number is greater than which and which is smaller than which number. Okay, and in order to compare the integers you need to draw a number line. आप नंबर लाइन बनाओगे तो आपको इजीली आपका इंटीजर्स का कंपैरिजन इजीली कर पाओगे. तो जब भी हम कंपैरिजन ऑफ इंटीजर करते हैं तो वी नीड टू ड्रॉ द नंबर लाइन सो दैट इट विल बी easy for you to compare which number is bigger, which number is smaller. Okay, and also with the help of number line we can go for a next topic, that is ordering of integers. So you can order the integer by looking to your number line. You can also arrange the integers according to their increasing order and decreasing order by going through your number line. So number line is very much useful to compare the integers as well as to arrange the integers in order. Now you have to know some concept about the comparison. So here are some of the points that should be very much known to you, that is every positive number is greater than the negative number. So all the positive number, can you see this on your right hand side, is always bigger than the negative numbers. Then second one is 0 is smaller than every positive number and 0 is greater than every negative number. So as you go through 0, you can see that the 0 is smaller than all positive number, but it is greater than all the negative numbers. So if you have a question like -1 is bigger or 0 is bigger, then you will say 0 is bigger. Plus 1 and 0, if it is told, you will say +1 is bigger than 0. So 0 is greater than all negative number. 0 सब पॉजिटिव नंबर से स्मॉल है और सब नेगेटिव नंबर से ज़्यादा है. ठीक है. Further, a number is to the right of 0, greater is its value. So right of 0, so you can see the right of 0. So all the numbers which come to the right of 0 is always greater than than 0 as well as greater than any number which is for father. So you can see that here you have 0 and these numbers are greater. Okay, so all the numbers which are right to the 0 and further than 0 is always greater. Okay, now if you can see the last point, that is further the number is to the left of 0, smaller is its value. So as you can see that the numbers which are to the left of 0 further means it is far from 0, then that number will have less value. So if you can compare with -1 and -10, आप -1 और -10 को देखोगे तो -10 -1 से स्मॉल है. -10 is smaller than -1. So as you go further than 0, your numbers will be smaller than its value. Okay, so +10 और -10 में क्या डिफरेंस है? +10 is always bigger and it is bigger to 0, and -10 is always smaller and it is smaller than 0 as well. Okay, so this is how we compare the numbers or the integers. Now ordering of integer is also the same thing. If you look to the number line again, देखिए वापस हम number line लेते हैं. So if you arrange the numbers in ascending order, you have to go from smaller to bigger side. So if the positive numbers are there, then you have to go for your right hand side. Okay, and if you have descending order, then your descending order will be from your right side to your left side towards 0. Okay, similarly, in case of your negative numbers, if you want to go for ascending order, that means you need to come to your right hand side. यदि आपको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर नेगेटिव नंबर्स का देखना है तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? ज़ीरो के टूवर्ड्स 0 यू हैव टू कम, दैट इज़ टू द राइट हैंड साइड. आपको 0 के सामने आना पड़ेगा, दैट इज़ राइट हैंड साइड में आप जाओगे तो आपको वो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर दिखेंगे. ठीक है, और ठीक उसके ऑपोजिट जैसे आप 0 से लेफ्ट हैंड ऑर्डर की तरफ जाते हैं तो दैट बिकम्स योर डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सो पॉजिटिव नंबर का जो असेंडिंग डिसेंडिंग है और नेगेटिव नंबर का जो असेंडिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग है वो बिल्कुल भी ऑपोजिट है. ओके, so as we will go through the questions, we will be better know about all these concepts. Okay, हम लोग क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाएंगे तो जैसे जैसे हम क्वेश्चन करेंगे हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट भी क्लियर होता जाएगा. ओके, so we'll go for the next exercise. Now you have the first question in exercise 8.2, that is write all the integers between the given pairs of integers using a number line. आपको यहाँ पे दो नंबर्स दिए गए हैं, इनके बिटवीन का नंबर्स आपको लिखना है. सो यू हैव टू यूज द नंबर लाइन to get all the numbers which comes in between -4 and 4. So -4 और 4 के बीच में जो भी नंबर आता है वो आप नंबर लाइन से इनको यूज़ करके आप लिख सकते हो. So you have A as -4 and 4, then B as -10 and 0, C as -9 and -5, and D as 1 and 12. Okay, so with the given number line you can easily write all the numbers in between this. Okay, so we will go for the answers. First question is -4 and 4. So please see the integers in the number line. आपको नंबर लाइन में ध्यान दीजिए. आप देखिए यहाँ पे -4 है, ये रहा -4 और यहाँ पे है आपका 4। सो आप इन बिटवीन नंबर्स आराम से नंबर लाइन को देखकर लिख सकते हैं. सो इन बिटवीन नंबर्स विल बी व्हाट? -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we will write the answer. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so see, I have written the numbers, that is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So up to 3, these all are the numbers which are between -4 and 4. Similarly, we will go for next -10 and 0. Now see here, -10 and 0. So you can see the numbers are from here, -10 to 0. So in between numbers are -9, -8, -7. So write down that -9, -8, then -7, -6, then you have -5, then -4, -3, -2, -1. Okay, so you have these numbers as the in between numbers of the digits -10 and 0. -10 और 0 के बीच में आपने जो नंबर्स यहाँ पर है नंबर लाइन में वो आपने लिख दिए हैं. ठीक है. नाउ वी विल मूव फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन, that is -9 and -5. So you can look here, -9, say -5. So which are the numbers? Just write it down. -8, -7, -6. So only 3 numbers are there as your answer. Okay. Now if you look to the next one, that is 1 and 12. So again we have to look for 1 between 1 and 12. Okay, so we will just see. So between 1 and 12 we can see 1 and 12. Okay, so 1 and 12 is you have 2, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, so you have the between number as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 up to 11. Okay, so these are the between numbers of the given pairs. Okay, so it has become very easy for you if you draw the number line, then you can easily make out which numbers are in between the pairs. Okay, so this is what we have been asked in question number 1. Then we will again move to question number 2. Now your second question is, which integer in each of the following pairs is to the left of the other on the number line? So you have been given with these pairs. You need to find out which number is to the left of the other. Okay, so we will go for the first, that is A. So we will first draw a number line. So you can see the number line that is drawn. So you have first question 0 and 6. So you need to see the two numbers on the number line. अब देखिए 0 इधर है और 6 इधर है. So कौन सा नंबर किसके लेफ्ट में है? So you can see that 0 number is to the left of 6. So see, I have written on the number line 0 is left of 6. Okay, 6 के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, 6 के ये देखिए ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है. सो 6 के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है 0. ओके, एंड 0 के राइट हैंड साइड है 6. सो यू नीड टू राइट इज on the number line 0 is left of 6. Okay, similarly minus 4 and 12. So you can see here 12 and minus 6. Minus 6 is here. Minus 4, sorry, minus 4 is here and 12 is here. Okay, 10, 11 and 12. So you can see 12 here. See 12 here and minus 4 here. So which one is left side? Minus 4 is left of 12. Minus 4 is left of 12. Minus 4 12 के left side है और 12 minus 4 के right side है ना? So minus 4 is left of 12. So write down on the number line minus 4 is left of 12. Okay. So we'll go for the next one. Now your next number is minus 12 and minus 10. Okay. So minus 12 is left of minus 10. So you have to write like this. Minus 12 minus 10 के left hand side है. ठीक है. So minus 12 is to the left of minus 10. So write the answer. Minus 12 is left of minus 10. So with this we complete off with second question. We will move to third. The next question is write the next three negative integers greater than minus 7. So you need to write the negative integer which should be greater than minus 7. So minus 7 से जो भी greater number रहता है वो right hand side की तरफ रहेगा. Okay, so we will write the next three negative numbers. Now as you can see the number line, so minus 7 is here. Okay, and you have to write the greater number, next greater number. Okay, so greater number will be always to the right side. So write down the numbers, that is minus 6, minus 5 and minus 4. This is the answer. Okay, answer is minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, because you need to write the greater number. Okay, and that should be also next. Okay, so that is why we have written three greater numbers. Okay, now move to next question. Next question is write any three negative integers less than 1. So you need to write three negative integers less than 1. Okay. So see again the number line. You have number 1 here and you need to write the negative numbers less than 1. So 0, you avoid that. Just go for negative 1, negative 2 and negative 3. So write down that negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So 3 negative numbers less than 1. Okay, so you have written the 3 negative numbers. Then we will move for fifth question. Now see the fifth question. Arrange the following integers in increasing order. So you have been given with the series. You have to write this in increasing order, that is small to big. Okay. So you can see that 0, minus 2, 5, 6, minus 4 is the series. So you have to arrange them in increasing order. So smaller number is minus 4, then minus 2, then 0, then 5 and then 6. See, minus 4 is less than minus 2, is less than 0, is less than 5, is less than 6. Okay. Similarly, the next series you have been given. So, negative 20 is less than negative 10, is less than 1, is less than 10, is less than 15. Okay. So, this is how you have to arrange it in increasing order. Now see the C1, that is minus 13, minus 11, minus 13, minus 4 and 11. Now see how I have arranged. Minus 13 is less than minus 11, is less than minus 4, is less than 11 and is less than 13. Okay. Now come to sixth problem, that is arrange the following integers in decreasing order. So again you have been given with the series, you need to arrange it in decreasing order, that is bigger to smaller. Now see, I have arranged the numbers. You have been given with the first series. So I have arranged it. 4 is bigger than 1 is bigger than minus 2 is bigger than minus 3, is bigger than minus 10. Okay. Similarly for your second one, that is 18 is bigger than 2, isn't it? 18 is bigger than 2. 2 is a positive number. Rest are all negative. So that is why minus 9 is bigger than minus 18 is bigger than minus 27. Similarly, go for the third one. You have 17 bigger than 14 is bigger than 9, bigger than minus 10 and bigger than minus 16. Okay. So this is your arrangement in decreasing order. So this is your sixth sum. Now your last problem is fill the blanks with the appropriate symbol, that is greater or less. So you need to put the symbols. Okay. Now see the symbols I have given. Minus 3 is greater than minus 4. Minus 10 is less than 10. 2 is less than 5. And minus 2 is less than 9. So with this we complete off with exercise 18.8.2. Then we will move to the next topic. We will now start with the addition and subtraction of integers. So both addition and subtraction we will do on the number line. So first one is addition of integers on a number line. सो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, नंबर लाइन बनाएंगे और उसमें जो इंटीजर्स हमारे रहे देंगे गिवन रहेगा, उन इंटीजर्स को हम नंबर लाइन में एडिशन करेंगे और नंबर लाइन पे ही सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट इज एडिशन ऑफ टू पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल में add 4 and 5 दिया हुआ है. ओके. सो बोथ द नंबर्स आर पॉजिटिव नंबर, दोनों पॉजिटिव नंबर है. ओके. सो एज यू ड्रॉ द नंबर लाइन, आप जैसे ही नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करते हो सो आपको ये एडिशन जो है ये नंबर लाइन में लिखना है. सो एज पर योर मैथमेटिकल वे यू हैव रिटन लाइक दिस. मैथमेटिक्स में 4 + 5 आपने लिख के लिया है. उसके बाद देखिए हम कैसे नंबर लाइन में ये वाला सम करते हैं. ठीक है. तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे हमने 4 तक लिया है. ठीक है. उसके बाद आपको 5 स्टेप्स मूव करना है. 5 स्टेप्स मीन्स 1 2 3 4 and 5. So you moved to 5 steps and this will give you the answer as 9. आप सबसे पहले जो नंबर आपका पहले लिखा हुआ है वो नंबर को मार्क कीजिए. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट नंबर जो लिखा है उतना स्टेप्स ऑफ मूव कीजिए. ठीक है. सो 4 हमने 4 ले लिया, फिर हमने क्या किया 5 स्टेप्स आगे गए. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So as we have moved to 5 steps we get the answer as 9. So देखिए हमने 9 लिख दिया है और आप देख पा रहे हो कि ये दोनों नंबर पॉजिटिव नंबर था, इसीलिए हमने ज़ीरो के राइट हैंड साइड में स्टेप्स को मूव किया है. ठीक है. फिर नेक्स्ट है एडिशन ऑफ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव नंबर्स. सो यू कैन सी इन द एग्जाम्पल एक पॉजिटिव नंबर है और दूसरा क्या है नेगेटिव नंबर. ओके. 6 and -2. Okay. So as you can see that 6 plus -2. So what we will do is we will एज पर आवर रूल वी विल गो टू फर्स्ट नंबर। पहले नंबर पे जाना है। पहला नंबर क्या है? 6। सो आप देख सकते हो नंबर लाइन में हम पहले नंबर 6 में गए हैं। उसके बाद हमारा नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या है? -2 है। -2 है मतलब हमको ऑपोजिट साइड में 2 स्टेप मूव करना है। सो हमने क्या किया? हमने 2 स्टेप ऑपोजिट साइड में मूव किया है, दैट इज टूवर्ड्स योर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड। जो पहले वाला एग्जाम्पल था तो उसमें पॉजिटिव नंबर हमने लिया था तो हम राइट हैंड साइड में मूव किए थे स्टेप्स। अब क्या है? हमारे पास माइनस नंबर है, इसीलिए हमने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में हमारा स्टेप मूव किया है। सो देखिए यहाँ पे 6 के बाद वी हैव टू मूव टू 2 स्टेप्स टू योर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड। सो 1 and 2. So your answer comes as 4. Okay, so 4 and -4 or +4 is same. Okay, 4 ऐसा लिखना और +4 लिखना is same. Okay, so this is how you do the addition of positive and negative numbers. Okay, now we will go for addition of a negative number and a positive number. यहाँ पे पहला वो नंबर था वो पॉजिटिव था, दूसरा नेगेटिव था। अभी यहाँ पे देखिए आपका पहला नंबर नेगेटिव है और दूसरा पॉजिटिव है। सो यू सी द एग्जाम्पल हियर -2 and 5. So if you go for your number line you can see that यहाँ पे -2 है, can you see? Then what is there is +5. So you have to move to your right hand side 5 steps towards right hand side. तो 5 steps 1 2 3 4 5. So यहाँ पे आपका आंसर क्या आया है? Your answer is 3. Okay, so like that you need to proceed. आपका दूसरा एडिशन है एडिशन ऑफ 2 नेगेटिव नंबर्स। आपने 2 पॉजिटिव किया, फर्स्ट पॉजिटिव सेकंड नेगेटिव किया, देन फर्स्ट नेगेटिव सेकंड पॉजिटिव नंबर वाला है 2 नेगेटिव नंबर्स। सो अगेन सी दोनों नेगेटिव नंबर्स है। सो व्हाट यू विल नीड टू डू इज यू हैव टू गो टू योर फर्स्ट नंबर दैट इज -4. Then what? You have to go for -3, that is again towards your left side 3 steps to your left. So 1 2 3. Okay, so you get the answer as -7. Okay, now this is your these 4 things what we did was using your number line. So next topic is addition of integer without using a number line. So you need not have to use the number line and you have to add the numbers. Okay, so we will follow this chart. Now see, first integer is if it is positive, second integer if negative, then operation you have to do is subtraction. If first integer is negative and second is positive then also you need to do subtraction. देखिए दोनों opposite sign है, उस टाइम पे हमको subtraction करना है. Then first integer positive, second integer positive, you need to do addition. Then first is negative, second is negative, then again you need to do the addition. Okay, and whatever is the answer you have to go through both the integer. आपको दोनों integer देखना है, उन दोनों में जो बड़ा नंबर रहेगा उस नंबर का जो साइन रहेगा वो आपको आंसर में लिखना है. तो द आंसर विल कैरी द साइंस ऑफ द ग्रेटर इंटीजर. सो यहाँ पे देखिए आपको दिया गया है इफ़ देयर इज़ नो साइन इन फ्रंट ऑफ ए नंबर इट इज़ कंसिडर्ड एज पॉजिटिव नंबर, जो मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है. ठीक है, तो आपको ये चार्ट आपको फॉलो करना है व्हेन यू आर डूइंग द एडिशन ऑफ इंटीजर विदाउट यूजिंग अ नंबर लाइन. ओके, सो एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे 5 + 7 दोनों पॉजिटिव नंबर्स है, इसीलिए आप कौन सा ऑपरेशन करोगे, एडिशन. ओके, सो यू विल गो फॉर एडिशन. 5 plus 7 that is 12. ओके, एंड यू नीड टू सी दैट दोनों नंबर में कौन सा बड़ा नंबर है, 7, और उसके पहले क्या साइन है, उसके पहले प्लस साइन है, इसीलिए आंसर में आप +12 लगाओगे. ठीक है. आप सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल देखिए, इसमें क्या है, फर्स्ट नंबर इज -8, सेकेंड नंबर इज ऑल्सो -3, so both the numbers are negative. So you can see here, if both the numbers are negative, you need to do the addition again. So दोनों का आप addition करोगे, और you need to see which sign does the bigger number carries. So bigger number को नेगेटिव साइन है, इसीलिए हमने यहाँ पे -11 लिख दिया है. ठीक है. सो as you go for your exercise, it will be clear to you how we can do the uh, addition of the integers. Now see exercise 8.3. You have, using a number line, write the integer which is 5 more than 1, then 6 more than -6, 4 less than -4, and 5 less than 0. So you have to draw the number line, and according to your information you need to find out the integer. Okay, so we will draw the number line and we will go for the first question on of exercise 8.3. So we will go for the first question, A part, 5 more than 1. Now you can see I have drawn the number line. So I will just go for our number, that is 5 more than 1. So we'll go for 1. देखिए यहाँ से 1 आया है, यहाँ से हमने 1 ले लिया है. Then 5 more, that means you have to move to 5 steps further. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here go to 5 steps. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your answer will be 6. Okay, then we will move for second one, that is 6 more than -6. So you can see here -6. Okay, so just we will just draw the line as -6. Okay, and then 6 more means you have to move to your right hand side. So see here what will be the answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so just move to your right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 more than -6 will give you 0. Okay. Next is 4 less than -4. So you can see here -4. So less means you have to move towards your left hand side. So you can see here -4, and then you have to move to again 4 steps towards your left hand side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So see, so your answer will be -8. Okay, now go to the next one. Next one is 5 less than 0. So please consider 0 here. Now you have to move again towards your left hand side because it is said less than. So you have to move 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see here, your answer will be -5. Okay, so 5 less than 0 is -5. Now you have the second question, that is draw a number line and answer the following. So first one is, which number is reached if we move 3 steps to the right of minus 15? So to the right of minus 15, which step, which number you reach? Okay. So this is your minus 15. You have to move to 3 steps to your right hand side. तो यहाँ पे देखिए आप माइनस 15 का, यहाँ पे माइनस 15 दिया हुआ है, आपको 3 स्टेप्स राइट हैंड साइड में मूव करना है. सो दिस इज योर राइट हैंड साइड. सो मूव टू 3 places, 1 2 3. So as you move to your 3 places, your answer is minus 12. Okay. सो फर्स्ट जो है उसका आंसर आपका माइनस 12 है. उसके बाद आप नेक्स्ट में जाइए. विच नंबर इज रीच्ड इफ वी मूव 10 स्टेप्स टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ minus 7. So you need to go to 10 steps to the left of minus 7. So minus 7, 10 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So your answer will be minus 17. Okay. So answer is minus 17. Third question is, in which direction should we move to reach 0 from minus 8? So you need to reach 0. आपको 0 पे reach करना है from minus 8. To which direction you will move? Now you can see minus 8 is this side and you need to move to 0. So which side you will move? You will move to the right of minus 8. Okay, right of minus 8. So you will reach your 0. Now next question is, in which direction should we move to reach minus 1 from minus 5? Now you have to take minus 5 and you want to reach to minus 1. So see, minus 5 and minus 1, again you have to move to your right. So right of minus 5. Okay. So this will be your answer. Now see all the answers I have written for you. Okay. So now we will move to our next question. Use a number line to add the following integers. Now see, I have drawn the number line. Okay. So first question is 10 plus minus 6. Now first you go to number 10. Okay. Then what? You have to move 6 steps. That is minus. That means you have to move to लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. आपका माइनस दिया है इसीलिए आपको 10 के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आपको मूव करना है. ठीक है. सो सी हियर 10, then you have to move to your left hand side. क्यों? Because here minus is given to you. Okay. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. So 1, see 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. So you can do like that also and you can go for a direct curve. Okay. ऐसा भी आप कर सकते हो 6 steps. देखिए 6 steps ऐसा भी आप आ सकते हो और डायरेक्ट भी आप ले सकते हो ऐसे. ठीक है. दोनों मेथड इज सेम. ओके. सो your answer will come as 4. Okay. Now your second question is minus 9 plus minus 2. Again you need to go to minus 9. See here minus 9 and you have minus 2. That means you have to again move to left hand side. So यहाँ पे देखिए आप 1 2. So just go here. Your answer will be minus 11. Okay, so your answer will be minus 11. So your next one is 0 plus minus 6. So you have 0 here. It is minus 6. That means again you have to move to your left hand side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So directly you can go like this, or you can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This way also you can move. Okay, so your answer will be minus 6. Okay, then if you go for this minus 5 plus 4. Now see here, minus 5 plus 4. That means minus 5 is here. Plus 4 means you need to move to your right hand side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Otherwise you can go like this as well. Okay. So your answer will be minus 1. Next one is 3 plus 5. So go for 3. Then you need to move to your right hand side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here you need to come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your answer is 8. Okay. So this is how you have to add the integers using your number line. Now here you need to add the following integer without using a number line. Without using a number line, you have to add these numbers. So we have already learnt about a chart. So we will go through the chart and we will add these numbers. Now see here, I have drawn the chart. So according to this chart, we will do this problem. Now see here, we have one positive number and one negative number, isn't it? So you have one positive number and one negative number. That means first number is positive, second number is negative. That is why you need to do the subtraction. So आप subtraction कर दीजिए दोनों का. So as you go for subtraction, how much you are getting? Here is your 4. Okay, so 4. Now out of these two numbers, 12 is bigger number, so sign of greater number should be here. तो यहाँ पे 12 बिगर नंबर है 8 से, इसीलिए 12 का साइन पॉजिटिव है, इसीलिए हमारा आंसर भी पॉजिटिव में आएगा. ठीक है. So here you have the number 4 as your sum. Okay. Now we will move for the second sum, that is minus 9 plus minus 2. Minus 9 प्लस माइनस 2. तो यहाँ पे देखिए आप चार्ट में माइनस और माइनस, दैट मीन्स वी नीड टू add these two numbers. So as we add these two numbers, we get 11. 9 plus 2 is 11, and since 9 is bigger number, so we have to put the sign of the greater number. So this becomes your minus 11. Okay, so we will go for the next sum, that is 0 plus minus 6. Okay, 0 plus minus 6. Children, the B1 I have done for the third problem. Okay, so please cancel that and write this. आप लोगों को मैंने जो B वाला बताया था वो मैं थर्ड सम का था, तो यू हैव टू गो फॉर नंबर लाइन उसमें. इसमें B1 ये वाला है, सो प्लीज़ कैंसिल दैट, वो उसको आप कैंसिल कर दीजिए, जो मैंने आपको -9 और -2 का बताया था वो आप कैंसिल कर दीजिए, ठीक है। तो ये आपका बी है। ओके, सो वी विल मूव फॉर बी। Now see here 37 and 54. One is positive number and one is negative number. So you can see here positive number and negative number. So you want to subtract. Okay. So as we subtract, we get 17. Okay. And the bigger number has minus sign. So you have to put माइनस साइन। आप देख पा रहे हैं जो फर्स्ट नंबर है वो पॉजिटिव नंबर है और सेकेंड नंबर नेगेटिव है, इसीलिए अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चार्ट यू हैव टू गो फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन। और एज यू डू द सब्ट्रैक्शन यू गॉट आंसर एज 17 और -54 बड़ा नंबर है, इसीलिए उसका साइन हमको यहाँ पे लगाना है। सो आंसर बिकम्स योर -17। ओके, now we will go for C1. Now see here again I have written the number C, that is -16 plus 5. So you have to go for chart minus and plus. Okay, so again you need to do the subtraction. Subtraction करना है आपको, तो as you do the subtraction here you will get the answer as 11 and you have greater number 16, that is why you need to put minus. So your answer is -11. We will move to D where you have -39 and your -56. Okay, so both the numbers are minus, so you need to add these numbers. Okay, so as you add your number you get 95. 9 plus 6 is 15, 1 carry, 8 and 9. So your greater number is -56 and you have your negative here. -95 is your answer. Now see the next one, that is -78 plus 78. So minus and plus. So subtraction you need to go. So 78 plus 78 is 0. Okay. So you got the answer as 0. 0 में कोई भी साइन नहीं लगाते हैं. Okay. So answer is 0. Now go for next number, that is 34 plus -9. So plus and minus. So you need to subtract these two numbers. So your answer is 25 and you have here positive sign because 34 is positive. Okay. So this is how you have to add the numbers विदाउट यूजिंग अ नंबर लाइन। सो आपको नंबर लाइन यूज़ करके कैसे एडिशन करना है वो भी सिखाया है, और नंबर लाइन बिना यूज़ करके आप कैसे एडिशन करोगे वो भी आपको सिखाया गया है। सो विदाउट नंबर लाइन आप एडिशन करोगे तो ये चार्ट आपको ध्यान में रखना है, ठीक है। Next topic is subtraction of integer on a number line. So we have already done with our addition. Now we will go for subtraction. Again, subtraction of two positive numbers. Subtraction of positive integer from a negative integer, and subtraction of negative integer from a positive integer, and lastly is your subtraction of negative integer from negative integer. So again, for subtraction, if you want to do the subtraction of positive number from positive number, so you have 3 minus 4. Here subtrahend and minuend is 4. So you have to take the bigger number and you have to again move to the appropriate direction. Okay, so we will just do the question so that it will be easy for you. Now this is the chart for your subtraction. Okay, the subtraction chart is somewhat different from your addition chart. तो यहाँ पे आप देख पा रहे हैं कि फर्स्ट जो इंटीजर है वो प्लस है, सेकेंड प्लस है. Okay, now final sign, why I have written this thing. Now suppose you have this number plus 3 and then you need to do the subtraction, and you have another number as 2. Okay, another number as 2. आप वापस से मैं लिखती हूँ -3 minus. Now you can see that first integer is plus, second integer is plus. Okay, now I have given subtraction sign here. So finally what becomes, this number becomes as 3. ये bracket हटा देंगे तो we have got this. Okay, so now you can see after I remove of the bracket, मैंने ये जब ब्रैकेट हटा दिया तो फर्स्ट साइन क्या हो गया, फर्स्ट साइन तो पॉजिटिव ही था, सेकेंड नंबर का साइन क्या हो गया, नेगेटिव. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स यू नीड टू. सो यहाँ पे आप देख पा रहे हो कि मैंने पहला नंबर प्लस पॉजिटिव लिया था, सेकेंड नंबर भी पॉजिटिव लिया था, लेकिन मुझे अब क्या करना है, ऑपरेशन इज सब्ट्रैक्शन. दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव पुट minus sign. So as I have put the bracket in the second integer, so you can see that 3 minus 2. So first number was positive, second number was positive, and what I did in the next step, I removed the bracket. So as I remove the bracket, then what will happen, the first number is positive and the second number becomes negative. So again the opposite sign, you have to go for final operation as subtraction. So इसीलिए मैंने देखिए ये वाला जो कॉलम है मैंने एक्स्ट्रा बनाया है. तो फर्स्ट इंटीजर, सेकेंड इंटीजर, देन फाइनल साइन व्हाट विल बिकम. ओके, एंड योर ऑपरेशन. सो ये चार्ट आपको ध्यान में रखना है. उसके बाद देखिए सेम जो है इंटीजर्स उसको मैं लेती हूँ. नाउ यू कैन सी दैट आई हैव टेकन द फर्स्ट इंटीजर नेगेटिव, सेकेंड इंटीजर ऑल्सो नेगेटिव. सो ये देखिए फर्स्ट इंटीजर एंड सेकेंड इंटीजर एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन साइन. सो नाउ व्हाट विल बिकम इज, अभी क्या होता है देखिए, -3 मैंने लिखा है और ये दोनों नेगेटिव becomes plus. So you can see I have written the final as first integer is negative, second integer is plus. Okay, positive. So again you have opposite sign here, that is why you need to do the subtraction. Okay, then we will move to third one. Now देखिए मैंने वापस क्या ले लिया है, फर्स्ट इंटीजर पॉजिटिव है, सेकेंड इंटीजर नेगेटिव है. ओके, सी. ओके, नाउ व्हाट विल बिकम हियर, ये हुआ और ये +2 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो दिस विल बिकम 5. दैट मीन्स अगेन यू कैन सी फर्स्ट इंटीजर इज प्लस, सेकेंड इंटीजर बिकम्स प्लस, एंड वी नीड टू डू द एडिशन. ओके, नाउ सी हियर व्हाट आई डिड, फर्स्ट इज नेगेटिव, second is positive. Okay, so in between subtraction sign. Now see, first is negative, second is positive. Now again what this becomes, this becomes as -3 -2, so you have -5. So your final sign will become minus and minus, so both the minus will give you addition, and you need to give the sign of greater integer. ओके, सो सब्ट्रैक्शन जो है उसमें आपका डिफरेंस थोड़ा सा आता है. ओके, सो वी विल मूव टूवर्ड्स अवर एक्सरसाइज. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सब्ट्रैक्ट द फॉलोइंग इंटीजर्स यूजिंग अ नंबर लाइन. So you can see the first question, 5 from -8. So I have written -8, 5 minus 5. That means both the numbers are negative numbers. Okay, as you can see here in the number line, I have drawn the negative numbers and the positive number towards right hand side of 0. Okay, so as we can go for -8, minus 8. Now you have minus 5 here. Minus 5 means you have to move towards your left hand side. So you write here this like this. So minus 8 and minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see here. That means your answer is minus 13. Okay. So your second question is 9 from 10. That means 10 minus 9. Okay. So you have one positive number and one negative number. Okay. So you have 10 minus 9 here. So one positive number and you have minus 9. That means you need to move towards your left hand side. So move towards left hand side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So move to here. Okay. You can draw like this also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. आप ऐसे छोटे छोटे स्टेप भी कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज डायरेक्ट भी ले सकते हो. So your answer becomes 1. Okay. Now your third question is minus 6 from 0. So you need to write 0, then minus 6. So here one positive number and then these two minus becomes your plus. So your answer will come as 6, sorry, 6. So as you go for 0 plus 6, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from 0 to 6, your answer will be 6. Now your next question is minus 6 from minus 8. So minus 8 minus then minus 6. So you have minus 8 here. Then you need to go for your plus 6. That means towards your right hand side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your answer will come as minus 2. Okay. So your answer is minus 2. Now see here final signs. One is minus, one is plus. So please refer the chart. Okay. If you refer the chart, then it will be easy for you. Okay. Now you have the subtraction without using a number line. Now see how I have done 20 from 40. So 40 minus 20. Okay. So it becomes your 20. Then 23 minus 17. So please refer the chart what I have given to you. So minus becomes plus. So the answer is 40. Now see C and D from minus 7 minus 4. So I have written minus 7 then minus 4. Okay. So this becomes plus 4 and here your answer is minus 3. Here also minus 14 minus 7. So this becomes your minus 21. So here please refer the chart. Your third question is find the following. Okay. So you can see here I have done the questions for you. Minus 5 minus plus minus 6 will give you minus 11. And here 40 minus 30. 40 plus 30 is 70. Now see the third question. 67 minus plus 17. 67 minus 17 is 50. And minus 54 minus plus 45 will give you minus 9. So with this question we end up with our chapter number 8. So please practice this chapter and please go through the chart. Okay. Your review exercises is there where we have already learned all the questions. So all the topics whatever is there in your review exercise, we have already gone through it and already it has been taught to you. So please practice all these questions and be confident on how to solve the question on number line. So with this we complete off with chapter number 8. Thank you.